In today's video, I'm going to show you how to play any video in slow motion using VLC Media Player. This is a super useful trick if you're trying to analyze footage, learn from tutorials, review gameplay, study dance moves, or just enjoy certain moments in more detail. The best part is that VLC is completely free and works on Windows, macOS, and Linux. We'll walk through this step by step, and by the end of this video, you'll be able to control playback speed like a pro. If you find this tutorial helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more easy software guides like this. Alright, let's get started. First, make sure you have VLC Media Player installed on your computer. If you don't already have it, you can download it for free from videoland.org and install it like any normal application. Once VLC is installed, go ahead and open it. Now, open the video you want to play in slow motion. You can do this by clicking on Media in the top left corner and selecting Open File, then choosing your video from your computer. You can also simply drag and drop the video file directly into the VLC window, which is often the quickest way. Once your video is open and playing, move your mouse cursor over the video screen. Next, right-click anywhere on the video screen. This will bring up a context menu with several playback options. From this menu, hover your mouse over Playback. When you do that, another submenu will appear. In this submenu, move your cursor to Speed. This is where VLC gives you full control over how fast or slow your video plays. Under the Speed menu, you'll see several options. To play your video in slow motion, select Slower. As soon as you click it, the video will begin playing at a reduced speed. If the video is still too fast for your needs, you can click More Slower to slow it down even further. For more precise control, you can choose Slower Fine, which allows for smaller adjustments and smoother slow motion playback. You can keep clicking these options until you reach a speed that works best for you. This is especially helpful when you're analyzing fast movements frame by frame or trying to follow along with complex actions. If at any point you want to return the video to normal speed, just go back to Playback, then Speed, and select Normal. Your video will immediately return to its original playback speed. One important thing to keep in mind is that slowing down a video may affect the audio quality. VLC does its best to adjust audio automatically, but at very slow speeds, the sound may become distorted. If audio isn't important, you can always mute the video while watching it in slow motion. And that's it! You've successfully learned how to play videos in slow motion using VLC Media Player. It's quick, simple, and doesn't require any extra software or plugins. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more step-by-step tutorials and easy tech tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.